Today we're going to be comparing Dynamics 365 and Salesforce from a strategic perspective, including flexibility, unification, data ownership, and pricing. Hello, IT professionals. I'm Dave from Bond Consulting Services. Our Director of Sales, Todd, will be comparing the functionality and benefits of Dynamics 365 and Salesforce from a strategic perspective.
Dynamics 365 Sales and Salesforce are the two leading CRM systems and are both based in the cloud. But Dynamics 365 Sales has cloud, on-prem, and hybrid model options. Salesforce is a multi-tenant solution that is one-dimensional, so it has the same general look and feel for all users. Dynamics 365 is a single-tenant solution that enables users to personalize and customize the solution to better fit their specific requirements. Plus, Dynamics 365 offers single sign-on. Dynamics 365 has enhanced security features in single-tenant software, which makes it less vulnerable to attacks compared to Salesforce's multi-tenant software. Dynamics 365 uses universal programming language like JavaScript, .NET, and HTML, so businesses can customize and extend the solution to meet their changing needs. Users can customize views, fields, forms, and workflows without even coding, which makes customization much easier. Salesforce only uses its own proprietary language of Apex, which limits users from customizing or extending the functionality on their own. With Dynamics 365, it is easy to extend functionality. The ability to extend the functionality and capabilities of the base system is what makes it so versatile and scalable. As a company's business needs change, the system can change with them. You end up with a best-in-class solution that is industry-specific and creates automation and efficiency for end users as well as visibility for managers and executives. The costs are lower than a complete code customization because the system was built with open APIs throughout, which requires low code or simple configuration to integrate third-party applications. The many options for integration is one reason it is important to select the right Dynamics 365 implementation partner. Salesforce is more rigid and standardized and might suit companies that fit perfectly into the predefined parameters. With Salesforce, it is possible to add functionality, but it takes a lot more time and effort, which equals more cost. And what if in the future you need specific marketing, customer service, or field service capabilities? Both systems are scalable in terms of functionality, but one is much more challenging than the other.
What are some other differences between the two platforms?
If there was one single Dynamics 365 theme song, it would be unification. The power of the platform is that it is unified with the rest of the Microsoft stack or Microsoft software applications. Dynamics 365 was built by Microsoft to integrate with Office 365, now called Microsoft 365 for enterprise applications. And while Salesforce can be integrated with Microsoft 365, it takes a lot more work and does not offer the same functionality. Microsoft has done a great job of connecting the dots between their business applications. Dynamics 365 Sales is one of the central puzzle pieces that connects all of the business applications that many are familiar with, like Outlook, Excel, SharePoint, Teams, and Azure. One of my favorite features is that Dynamics 365 Sales can be embedded in Outlook. Let's say, for example, a user receives an email from a customer in Outlook, and with a single click is able to see the customer information from Dynamics 365 Sales on the same screen. Not just the customer card, but invoices as well. They can even drill down into the specific invoice and initiate a new invoice or take action, all from within Outlook. This convenience is really the efficiency that leads to more productivity across an entire sales enterprise. This functionality is not available with Salesforce.
It sounds like Dynamics 365 for Sales and Office 365 were made to work together. Are there any other benefits to this feature?
There are many benefits. How it integrates with SharePoint for document storage, how it integrates with Teams for collaboration and communication, or how it is built on Azure so it easily links with other cloud applications and takes advantage of AI. A simple but huge benefit is how data can be easily exported to Excel, manipulated, and then imported back into the system. This allows users to use the Microsoft tools that they are already familiar with. This makes adoption of the system quick and painless. I think customers don't always take adoption into account. I'm sure executives would rather have their company's learning curve look more like a hockey stick rather than a gradual incline over several months. A CRM system is supposed to add efficiency and productivity, not take these away with months of system training.
It sounds like learning Dynamics 365 is much more intuitive than Salesforce.
I think most would agree, and employees like Dynamics 365 Sales because they can quickly see how it is going to make their lives easier. System automation is simplified by the use of Power Automate, Microsoft's low-code tool used to trigger action within a task or function. It can be as simple as automatically sending an email for an approval for a price exception that might have taken 10 clicks, at least 2 emails sent, and an extra 10 minutes to execute. These are the time savers that end users appreciate, and it definitely helps with adoption. Salespeople would rather spend more time selling and less time with administrative tasks. System automation like this can be coded into Salesforce. It just takes a lot more time and effort. There is also the risk that the code may need to be rewritten or changed with each Salesforce software upgrade.
What are some other major differences between Dynamics 365 and Salesforce?
Reporting, and let me tell you why this is important. The other key metric that executives are trying to achieve in a CRM system, besides efficiency and productivity, is visibility. They want to be able to make real-time decisions based on real-time, accurate, intelligent data. Both Dynamics 365 and Salesforce offer reports out of the box. However, Dynamics 365 Sales has more robust and extensive reporting. Executives could argue which reports are most important, but the answer is the reports that are most important to them, meaning everyone needs to see different reports based on the same data. Microsoft's answer: reporting options without silos. One way that Microsoft has enabled this is through the offering of Power BI.
What's Power BI and why is it important?
Power BI is Microsoft's visualization reporting tool that executives and managers use to see general metrics in the form of charts and graphs. But they can also click on the chart or graph to see the dynamic real-time data that makes up those charts. They can drill down even further to the most granular level of detail that is in Dynamics 365 Sales. Not only that, but Power BI reports can be embedded into their Dynamic 365 dashboards. The dashboards can be personalized for them individually. In fact, the whole system can be personalized for an individual without affecting the other users. This allows for enhanced efficiency. They don't have to wade through the reports and data that others might think is important in order to get to their own reports. Please note, Power BI is used with Salesforce. In fact, Power BI can be used to pull data from many different systems or data sources to combine information into one report. Microsoft invests millions of dollars each year in enhancing system intelligence capabilities.
So everyone has a different system experience based on the same system data?
Exactly. Of course, not everyone is authorized to see the same data. A system administrator can easily set up authorizations based on system predefined roles or custom requirements. This access control is what allows information to flow securely across the entire platform throughout the whole company to give visibility to executives and task users alike when they have been authorized to view it.
Let's talk about price.
Both systems offer licensing on a SaaS basis, monthly, per user. Dynamics 365 Sales pricing is set by Microsoft and posted online, so it's very transparent. Salesforce is the most expensive CRM solution on the market. Dynamics 365 Sales offers more features and functionality at a more reasonable price. Salesforce only offers Salesforce automation, and add-ons are expensive and less inclusive. Dynamics 365 Sales offers a variety of different applications including sales, customer service, field service, marketing, and project operations.
Are there any other considerations besides price to be aware of?
Yes, Salesforce owns your data and charges additional fees for API access and data backup. It is very challenging to change software solutions if you want to leave Salesforce, as they make it difficult for you to migrate your data from Salesforce. With Dynamics 365, your data belongs to you, and data backups and API access are available upon request and included with your subscription. You can also schedule backups and maintenance at your own convenience with your own security measures.
Thank you, Todd, for showcasing the Dynamics 365 capabilities. And thank you, Dynamics community, for your attention. We hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe to our channel if you want to learn more about utilizing Dynamics 365 to grow your business. Click here for our related videos. Utilize our website down below.